Hey, this is Billy Atkins, CPSC 2100. I'm going to continue off of the last problem and solve for the minimum monthly payment that needs to occur. And I think that the best way that I found to do this was to continue with the loops since we're going to end up having to work with in a range of 12 months anyways. So there's multiple ways to solve it, I'm sure, but this is the one that I kind of found the easiest to at least read and figure out and everything. I like minimal syntax. So, anyways, so we're gonna have the same balance. Oops, balance equal to 5,000, and same annual interest is going to equal 0.1. But we're also going to need a monthly interest since we're working with months now to find a monthly lowest payment. So we're going to do monthly interest. And that's simply just going to be the annual interest divided by 12. Okay. And since we're wanting the problem to, oops, a little too far down. Since we're going to need the problem to be in multiples of 10, we're going to need to set a payment of 10. And we'll manipulate that, and it'll keep it in multiples of 10, so the problem comes back multiple. We'll manipulate that while inside the loop, and we're mostly going to work in a for loop, but we're going to use the break method that we worked in Java. So while this method is true, the test balance is going to equal the balance. And essentially, this is test balance is honestly just kind of manipulating the balance a little bit, and it's going to come back and change this. It's kind of like whenever we had this and then we had to print it the new amount. It's kind of like the same thing there. And then 12. So while it goes to 12. So test balance and have it. So it's going to subtract from the payment of 10. We're going to multiply it by 1 plus the monthly interest. And let's see. If statement, if the test balance is hmm, is less than or equal to 0, then we'll break. And then we'll add our payment will counter out plus 10, and then we'll print the will be will equal the payment. Yeah, that should work. Hmm. So essentially, this is going to go 12, 12 times for 12 months. And the test balance, it's going to subtract from the payment for 12 months, and then it's going to multiply it by the interest rate. The test balance is less than or equal to 0, the program's going to break. Essentially, it's going to make this whole thing stop. And we'll add, keep it in multiples of 10, we'll add the counter. And let's see. Ooh. Hmm. Let's test balance. Let's see. Oh, wait, hold up. I put month interest. Just realized I was like, why is that wrong? No, okay, there we go. Yeah. Lowest payment for the month is gonna be 460 smackaroos. All right. That should be good. All right. Thank you.